personal trainer,
Ah,
classes,
oh my
and
goodness.
proper going for classes every other day.
Mm.
So now I think I've built enough endurance to go every day if I want to.
How strong you want to get?
But not too strong,
Mm.
just strong enough.
Mm.
I don't want to build muscles like like a bodybuilder.
Good. Lower back is functioning really, really well. There's a small one here. Well, the first one I can find is 432. Breathe in and breathe out. I'm actually very happy with the pelvis and also the lower back. They're all moving very nicely. Let's have a more thorough check down below. So bring the feet together. Fine. Left. Does it hurt? Just feels a bit funny, right? Go up again and go out again. Good.
I don't even know. It felt like forever. I've only been there once. I'm not going back.
Never again.
No. But there's another one that is like a full body workout, which is the one that I think I like most.
You prefer
It's
that
weight,
one?
but it's full body
Mm.
workout with weight.
For the stiffness. Didn't expect that. water. Bigger. And close here. Okay. This one will be a bit sore, okay? It's quite stiff today. Must be all the Zumba, I think. Not too bad. A bit more than me too. Let's check the hip here. Just slightly. Relax a little bit more. Another one. I'll take the sock off, is okay?
Yep.
There. Am I hurting your lower back? It's okay, huh? Oh, the Zumba.
Wow, yeah, I felt that.
This one for the knee is a lot of stiffness inside as well. Just fall down here. It's fine. Oh, it's quite easy. The last two sessions especially. This one's good too. Let's do it. It fall into my hand. One. And I'm gonna change the angles. And let's go up to the sky. Good. Where you go to? Ah, yes, yes, yes.
Gym.
This is
Gym
women's one.
partners.
Yeah. Save this one. Prioritize the wrist, so you have to lean back slightly. Very good. I'm very happy with progress. I think